Galileo Galilei, born on February 15, 1564 in Pisa, Italy, was a pioneering astronomer, physicist, and mathematician who revolutionized our understanding of the universe. As the eldest of 6 children, Galileo grew up in a family where his father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a renowned musician and music theorist. Initially pursuing medical studies at the University of Pisa, Galileo's passion for mathematics and natural philosophy soon took precedence. Galileo's scientific contributions were numerous and groundbreaking. He made significant improvements to the telescope, allowing him to make unprecedented astronomical observations. Through his enhanced telescope, Galileo discovered that the moon's surface was not smooth as previously believed, but rather covered in craters and mountains. This revelation challenged the prevailing notion of celestial perfection. He also observed that Venus exhibited phases similar to the Moon, a phenomenon that provided strong support for the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. Perhaps one of his most famous discoveries was that of 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons. This observation was particularly significant as it demonstrated that not all celestial bodies orbited Earth, further undermining the geocentric model. Galileo's improved telescope also allowed him to resolve the Milky Way into countless individual stars, vastly expanding our understanding of the galaxy. Additionally, he observed sunspots on the sun's surface, again challenging the idea of an unchanging, perfect celestial realm. These observations collectively challenged the prevailing Aristotelian view of a perfect and unchanging cosmos with Earth at its center. Galileo's work in physics was equally revolutionary. He formulated the law of falling bodies, developed the concept of inertia, and made significant contributions to the study of motion, laying the groundwork for Newton's later work on gravity and motion. Galileo's support for the Copernican heliocentric model of the solar system eventually led to his accusation of heresy by the Roman Catholic Church. In 1615, he was first accused of heresy for his interpretation of biblical passages in light of the heliocentric model. Despite initial cautions to present his ideas as theoretical, Galileo's publication of Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems in 1632 led to his trial by the Inquisition in 1633. Found guilty, he was forced to recant his beliefs and spent the remainder of his life under house arrest. Galileo's work laid the foundation for modern science and inspired generations of scientists. Isaac Newton, in particular, built upon Galileo's ideas about motion and gravity. Albert Einstein hailed Galileo as the father of modern science for his systematic development of the scientific method based on evidence and experimentation. The importance of Galileo's findings persists to this day. His emphasis on observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis formed the basis of the scientific method still used in research. His astronomical discoveries paved the way for our current understanding of the solar system and beyond. The Galileo space probe, launched in 1989, honored his legacy by exploring Jupiter and its moons, continuing the journey of discovery he began centuries ago. Galileo's life and work serve as a testament to the power of curiosity, critical thinking, and the pursuit of truth in the face of established dogma. His contributions continue to inspire scientists and shape our understanding of the universe, making him a pivotal figure in the history of science.